Hello everyone, welcome to Flutter Tutorial. Today, I'll tell you about what is Flutter and why we need to know or learn about it. Let's get started. Move to the next page. In every day, people use always application or website. Of course, people use for learning, shopping, gaming, searching some information, and something like that. Therefore, application and website have useful and benefit in everyone and every day. But if you have a question or you want to be a creator of your application or website, how can we create it? Okay, in website we can create from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other framework if you want to do. But in mobile application, if you want to create, you need to know that what platform is you want to do. In iOS app, you may choose Python, Swift, Objective-C to develop, and in Android app, you may use Kotlin, Java, C++, or C. But if you want develop in both in Android application and iOS application, what we need to do? In today, developer uses to develop for cross-platform. This called hybrid application. Hybrid application is one coding application for use in iOS application and Android application. Definitely, hybrid application can create both website and mobile application. In hybrid application, you can select framework if you wanna use for develop your applications or website, such as React Native, Flutter, Essential, and so on. Hybrid application is so useful and benefit for developer in this time. Yes, in this tutorial, I will choose Flutter for develop my application and present in this time. Flutter is one of hybrid application. It can create or develop both mobile application and website. Flutter is created from Google in late 2018. In this time, many applications use Flutter for develop. Example, Google, eBay, Gap, Square, Alibaba, Capital One, and so on. And then in this page is about good point of Flutter. The first one is Flutter is fast development. Flutter use hot reload for do it. Yes, in this point make Flutter for fast development. In the second, Flutter is beautiful UIS. And the third, Flutter is native performance for develop cross-platform. And if we want to create a mobile application from Flutter, how can we do it? Yes, if you want to create your app in Flutter, you need to know about widgets. Widgets are each element on a screen. The view of the screen completely depends upon the choice and sequence of the widgets used to build the application. If you consider each element like widgets, then you can create application with Flutter. Finally, widgets can be separated into types. That is, stateless widgets and stateful widgets. If stateless widgets will be used when screen not change or follow, we click or select on screen. And stateful widgets will be used when screen change due to click or slide on screen. You can Watch in animation for provide for you. All of this is one step for learn Flutter. In this present, you can read from Flutter.net, which tell you everything about Flutter when you want to know, and I tell you about in this present. Yes, I will attach this link below video. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day.